And good afternoon, this is Barry in front of West G here at Stony Brook University. And as you can see, we've had quite a lot of snow over the last 24 hours. In fact, I'm just going to walk over here for a moment just to show you how deep this is. Now remember, I'm 6'3", and it's up to my knees here. Trudge over here a little bit. And I just want to now get a shot of this. Yeah, it's about up to here on me. So definitely a lot of snow. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen this much snow. I remember in 1996 we had about 25 inches in Pennsylvania, but I think this might be more than that. Also, I want to draw your attention over here. These are cars. Or I should say, under these heaping mounds of snow there are cars. This one here is actually, it looks like the top of the snow is over my head. But if you look around here, it is very pretty out today. And over here you can see the trees have some snow on them, and you know, the sky is almost perfectly clear. It's a nice deep blue. Reporting from West G at Stony Brook, this is Barry.